Welcome to Chill Dill Trades. It's been a while, but we're back because now is more important than ever. It's going to be volatile. It's going to be crazy because Trump is in office, but we can still make money. So today we are going through the things to pay attention in the market right now. Things that we need to pay attention to. First, portfolio is doing great. 13% average close position so far. Our active portfolio is up 5%. And as always, we're using our savings for treasuries, which is 4% a year. So active investments plus treasuries, hopefully we'll hit 25% this year plus in earnings. So getting into the first thing, the market is going to be volatile right now. Just get used to it. We're not in the Biden ghost economy where it's just low volatility. There's nothing that's going to scare people. We are going to see volatility. Get used to it. But volatility is not bad. Remind yourselves, volatility is not bad, Mr. Chill Dill Trades. We need to stay logical and not emotional. And we need to have and we constantly have opportunities to get stocks at a cheaper price, a cheaper valuation, but we need to have a list of stocks that we are keeping an eye on. We together will create this list this year. 2025 is our year. Let's create the list. As you can see in this photo, this crazy volatility, this is just basically since Trump has been in office. This is crazy volatility. It will continue. But whenever we have these crazy drops, I bought a bunch at the beginning of the year when the market was dropping. I bought more at this drop. The market will drop. When it drops, we buy. Drops are buying opportunities. Second thing, tariffs. Stop getting scared about tariffs. Tariffs are a tool. They're a tool, remember that. They are a bargaining tool first off, okay? Silly sell-offs are buying opportunities. We need to buy stocks when things sell off for no reason. For no reason. You're going to hear in the media, you're going to hear everywhere you see, oh, it's going to increase prices, can do this and that. No one is getting 25% tariffs, guys. They're bargaining opportunities to make America better. Trump has nothing to lose. This is his last term. He's not going on. He is going to do whatever he wants to make America better, to greater, to grow our economy. This guy has 4 years. He got taken advantage of in his first term, so he knows he has 4 years to show how much impact he can have, especially without a COVID outbreak. It might be a different strategy, but it's not stupid. You got to remember this. Tariffs are not stupid. It's a strategy for bargaining. The second thing is the US funds the entire world. You don't realize this. The reason the stock market has gone up is because the Fed is continuously printing money. We are not going to go back to that same style. We might still print, but it's going to be at a much different rate. And the goal, I believe, for this administration and for this economy is let's grow the US as we print more money. So it's kind of going a double-double. It's a different strategy, but I do believe it's gonna work this year, and we're gonna see great growth in the stock market. The last thing, what sectors we need to pay attention to? Okay, you must have a diversified portfolio this year. Okay, and we need to keep track of the sectors that are going to perform the best. First, semis. We are in a super cycle because of AI, because of advantages that we are making. Think of the dot-com boom, right? You had this crazy acceleration of things because we saw this technological advantage that made margins increase. Okay, we are in the same exact period right now. We are in the last hurrah, and this last hurrah, we have an opportunity to make a shit ton of money just like we have the last couple of years, okay? We are probably in a 3-year product deficit. That means unless something crazy happens with us figuring out how to do things at a cheaper cost, which is not happening with DeepSeek, we have 3-year backlog to fulfill all these businesses. And that's why you see things like Meta for Google buying like crazy, because they are trying to catch up for the future. Okay? So companies like Nvidia, things like ASML, Things like, we'll go through a bunch of them. We'll go through these together. This is a super cycle. We need to take advantage of this. The second thing, emerging markets. Policy adjustments are going to bring the dollar down, okay? Printing less money, all these different things that have been happening. We are going to see the dollar come down, which is going to make other emerging markets more attractive again. For a great example, Alibaba, 10 times earnings. 10 times earnings, guys. I think their cash to valuation is like 4 times. Their value is only 4 times higher than their cash they have on their books. This is crazy. So we are going to find the right opportunities together. The right opportunities. You can easily lose money here, but we are going to find the right opportunities together. The last thing is there are a ton of undervalued stocks because of the Mag 7's performance, okay? So as the Mag 7 has been going up, the rest of the market, besides some of the other big caps, have not been doing so. And so there is a lot of undervalued stocks living out there that we are going to find together. I already have some on my that I purchased late last year, and we're going to go through these together to find amazing opportunities. There is so much out there that is undervalued right now. So we're going to create some killer videos this year together. We're going to find some amazing stocks. And this is going to be a killer year for us, guys. Let's do it. This is Chill Dill Trades. Till another time, folks.